The city ran on trains. Memory wasn't one store. It was a multi-line transit system, each line doing something more. Not a single vault of storage. It flowed through every door, connecting distant regions, sending signals across the floor. Memory moved, it shifted tracks, it routed forward, then circled back. The green line was a cerebral cortex line. It carried semantic meaning in mind. Facts and language gathered, ordered and refined. It also ran working memory. What you hold right now kept alive in active circuits, then released somehow. Like a train at a platform, attention holds, it remains. Attention drifts, it departs. No rehearsal, no lasting gain. The yellow line was the amygdala spurt. It did not store, it helped memory secure. It tuned the signal, biasing which traces would endure. It shaped consolidation, where brief impressions begin. But under heat of emotion, it sealed those traces in. It activated the locus coeruleus, norepinephrine, cortisol 2. Flashbulb memories emerged from this emotional salience imbued. The red line was the hippocampus. It formed episodic memory, events bound to time, encoded in neural circuitry. Place cells mark position, grid cells map space, time cells track sequence, guiding temporal pace. Damage caused retrograde amnesia, no new long-term traces laid down. Retrograde amnesia followed, recent experiences were first to drown. The blue line was the striatum, part of the basal ganglia network. You learn gradually, pattern by pattern at work. It supported procedural memory, skills expressed automatically. Probabilistic learning shaped behavior, refined through repetition steadily. Learning began in the hippocampus, but practice shifted control from conscious recall to automatic flow. All lines relied on the maintenance yard, where synaptic links grew strong, reshaped and rewired so connections could last long. Hebbian learning set the rule, experience was the guiding tool. Neurons that fire together, wire together, strengthening circuits by that rule. NMDA depolarize the cell, magnesium block displaced and gone. NMDA open to calcium, triggering the cascade that followed on. Calcium activated CAMK2, then CREB altered gene activity with BDNF supporting the shift. Long-term potentiation increased connectivity. Long-term potentiation showed specificity. Cooperation align, associativity bound inputs together, while long-term depression refined. Plasticity, balance, strength and loss, tightening circuits through time. The system adjusted signal weight, optimizing network design. The city ran on trains, not one store, not one fixed chain, but something more. Different lines, different roles, parallel systems forming wholes. When we remember, signals move through cortex, hippocampus, striatum grew by. Memories transit alive, not confined.